Scene script. Have you ever wondered why more and more people are turning towards plant-based diets? Welcome to the world of colorful fruits, crunchy vegetables, and nutrient-packed legumes where an increasing number of individuals are finding their dietary homes. This is the world of plant-based diets, a lifestyle choice that has seen a remarkable surge over the past few years. Veganism, a strict form of plant-based diet, is no longer a niche lifestyle choice. It has become a global trend with a significant uptick in the number of self-proclaimed vegans. In the United Kingdom, for instance, the number of vegans quadrupled between 2014 and 2019. Similarly, in the United States, the vegan population saw a whopping six-fold increase in the same period. What exactly is a plant-based diet, you might ask? Simply put, it's a diet that emphasizes foods derived from plants, including vegetables, grains, legumes, and fruits, while minimizing or completely excluding animal products. A vegan diet takes it a step further by completely eliminating all animal-derived products, including dairy, eggs, and even honey. But why this sudden shift towards plant-based diets? It could be attributed to a multitude of factors. Health benefits, environmental concerns, and ethical considerations are some of the driving forces behind this dietary revolution. A growing body of research suggests that plant-based diets can help in managing chronic diseases, reducing obesity, and even increasing life expectancy. Moreover, with the reality of climate change becoming more apparent, people are realizing the profound impact their dietary choices can have on the environment. A plant-based diet, with its lower carbon footprint, is seen as a more sustainable choice. Then there's the ethical aspect. The desire to avoid harm to animals is a powerful motivator for many to adopt veganism or a plant-based lifestyle. As you can see, plant-based diets are more than just a passing trend. They're a lifestyle choice for millions around the world. With a plethora of benefits, it's no wonder that this way of eating is quickly becoming the new norm. What if we told you that adopting a plant-based diet could improve your health and well-being? Yes, you heard it right. Embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can offer a plethora of health benefits. One of the most significant perks of a plant-based diet is a lower risk of heart disease. The abundance of fiber, antioxidants, and other heart-healthy nutrients in plant foods contribute to better cardiovascular health. They work together to reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and promote healthier blood vessels. So simply by going green, you're giving your heart a helping hand. Next on the list is diabetes. Research shows that plant-based diets can help prevent and even manage type 2 diabetes. They help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and promote a healthy weight, all of which are crucial in the fight against this disease. So if you want to keep diabetes at bay, consider filling your plate with more plant foods. And let's not forget about cancer. While there's no magic bullet for preventing this disease, a plant-based diet can certainly help. Many plant foods are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Now, if you're trying to manage your weight, a plant-based diet might be your best ally. Plant foods are generally lower in calories and fat and higher in fiber, a winning combination for weight management. Plus, they're incredibly filling, so you can say goodbye to constant hunger pangs. Beyond these health benefits, a plant-based diet can also boost your overall well-being. It can improve digestion, increase energy levels, and even enhance your mood. Yes, eating more plants can literally make you happier. Now that we've explored the benefits, it's clear that a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool for better health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, why not reach for more plant foods? Your body will thank you. While the benefits are clear, adopting a plant-based diet is not without its challenges. One of the most common concerns that people have when contemplating a switch to a plant-based diet is the question of protein. We've all grown up hearing that meat is the best source of protein, but that's not entirely accurate. While it's true that animal products are high in protein, it's entirely possible to get adequate amounts of protein from plant-based sources. However, this does require a bit more attention and planning. You'll need to ensure you're incorporating a variety of protein-rich plant foods into your diet, such as lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Another nutrient that can be a bit tricky to get enough of on a plant-based diet is vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells, and it's primarily found in animal products. However, Many plant-based foods are now fortified with B12, and supplements are also widely available. Then there's the issue of societal pressure. Let's face it, we live in a society that's heavily centered around meat consumption. Family gatherings, barbecues, holidays, they all typically feature meat as the main event. Choosing to adopt a plant-based diet can sometimes feel like swimming against the current, and it can take time to navigate these social situations with grace and confidence. Another challenge comes in the form of dining out. While it's becoming increasingly easier to find plant-based options at restaurants, it can still be a bit of a struggle, especially in smaller towns or more traditional restaurants. It can require a bit of research and planning ahead to ensure there will be suitable options available. Despite these challenges, with careful planning and preparation, a plant-based diet can be both nutritious and enjoyable. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making choices that align with your values and your health goals. So if you're considering a plant-based diet, don't let these challenges deter you. With a little bit of planning and a whole lot of determination, you can successfully navigate these obstacles and reap the many benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. So how can one overcome these challenges and successfully adopt a plant-based diet? Let's dive into some practical solutions that can make this transition smoother, healthier, and more enjoyable. Firstly, meal planning can be a game changer. It's all about being strategic with your food choices and preparation. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead. This will not only save you time and stress, but also make sure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Experiment with different plant-based recipes, and you'll soon realize the incredible variety and flavors this diet has to offer. Speaking of nutrients, let's talk about protein. One of the most common concerns when shifting to a plant-based diet is getting enough protein. But the truth is, there are plenty of plant-based protein sources out there. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, tempeh, quinoa, and even whole grains are all packed with protein. It's all about diversifying your plate and ensuring you're combining different foods to get a complete protein profile. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: societal pressure. It's no secret that adopting a plant-based diet can sometimes feel isolating, especially during social events or family gatherings. But remember, this is your journey and your health. Be open about your choices. Educate others about why you're choosing this path, and ask for their support. You'd be surprised at how understanding people can be when you communicate honestly. And lastly, be patient and kind to yourself. Changing your diet is a significant lifestyle shift, and it's okay to take baby steps. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So enjoy the journey, celebrate your small victories, and don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Remember, every plant-based meal is a win for your health and the environment. With these tips in mind, the journey towards a plant-based diet becomes a lot more achievable. So take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and take that first step towards a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. You've got this. So, are you ready to explore the world of plant-based diets? We've taken quite a journey today, haven't we? We've ventured into the rising trend of plant-based diets, seeing how it's not just a passing fad, but a lifestyle choice that is becoming increasingly popular. We've seen how this shift is driven by not just health motivations, but also by environmental and ethical considerations. We've also delved into the numerous benefits of a plant-based diet. We've discovered how it can lead to better health outcomes, from weight management to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. We've learned how plant-based diets can be rich in nutrients, high in fiber, and low in saturated fats. Perhaps most importantly, we've understood that a plant-based diet can be a powerful tool for fostering a healthier planet. But we've also acknowledged that shifting to a plant-based diet isn't always a walk in the park. We've recognized the challenges one might face, from dealing with potential nutrient deficiencies to the struggle of finding suitable options in restaurants or social gatherings. And yet, we've seen how these challenges can be tackled head-on. We've learned about the importance of planning and preparation, the role of supplementation, the power of variety in our diet, and how to navigate social situations. We've realized that with a little bit of effort and a lot of determination, a plant-based diet can be sustainable and fulfilling. This journey of ours doesn't have to end here. There's so much more to learn, to experience, and to discover in the world of plant-based diets. From understanding the nuances of different plant-based diets to learning delicious, nutrient-packed recipes, the opportunities are boundless. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about veganism and plant-based diets, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.